We're working with Why is he sitting there looking up at me looking down at me like that? That's kind of creepy. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna keep it 100% with you. Is he taking? Nah. Is he taking pictures of the lady across the street, bro? Go talk to her, creepy ass, dumbass, stupid. What if I Spider-Man my way across to him, bro? What's he got to offer for a cat like me, bro? You got any food, gangy? You got any food, sir? Yo, what's good? I just fucking killed him. I killed him. I'm a murderer, bro. I killed his ass, bro. Alright, we're leaving the scene without being seen.
Yeah.
Yo, whoa. Chill, buddy. What the fuck is wrong with you? You wanna scrap? You wanna get fucked up? Gang, you wanna get fucked up? Come here. Oh, he doesn't. Yeah. Who's the man of the house now, gang?
Oh, yeah.
Can I get your teeth out? Can I knock your fucking... Give me a collar. You don't deserve it. Let's go. You're going to bed, gang. You're going to bed. You're nobody in my yard, bro. Hey, lady. What's good?
Get out.
Let's go for a flight, lady. Okay, never mind. Alright, what if she wakes up? Does she want to kill me or no? No, surely not, bro. I believe I need some sort of steering wheel. Where can we find a steering wheel? We have a lot, bro. Okay, we have a lot here. What else do we have, bro? Dude, I'm trying to explore everything. That's the guy from the leaks. Ugh, maybe he has my steering wheel that I need for the fucking... Dude, I keep fucking knocking everyone out by accident, bro. I didn't even mean to. I'm so...
Oh, how's Granny already awake? Oh, it's Tuesday, that's why. Where's my water? Oh, thanks for being helpful, Granny. I'm faster than you, Granny. You're not the way ducks. Ooh, what's this? Ooh. Oh my gosh, Granny. Dude! Granny, you okay? Granny? Granny? Yeah! Right in the head. I think I got it this time. Yes! Yeah! Please, Granny. Granny, please! Please, Granny! Please, Granny! Granny, please! Please, Granny! Oh, bro's just getting juked right now. Bro's just getting juked. Oh, what the? Boosh! Yeah, boosh! Pay attention to me. I'm gonna knock something over. That's the only time she actually pays attention. Your favorite cat sculpture? You like that? How did Granny not notice? How does she like care? Oh my gosh. Granny, please. Granny, please. Oh, please, Granny, please. Please, Granny, please. Where's the ball? Please, Granny, please, Granny. Oh, bro just got juked. Bro just got that the other way. Oh my god, please. Please, Granny, please, Granny. Please, Granny, please, Granny, please, Granny, please, Granny, please, Granny. Oh, Granny, please, please, Granny, please, Granny, please, Granny. Where are you going? That makes more sense. Ah! Good hide. No. She up. Boosh. 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 Food. I like exploring. Ooh, how did you get here? Okay. Gotta get you back. Even though it would be nice if I put you in there. But it's fine. Okay, now I've got to distract Granny. I've got to just... I want her to go over there. Okay, now she's gonna follow me. Come on, Granny. Oh no. Come on, Granny. Oh my god, Granny. No, please, please, Granny. Please, Granny. Please. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. No, please, Granny, please. Please, Granny. You can't outrun a cat, you know. Can't outrun a cat, you know. It might. Boosh! How is she already up? You know what, Granny? Oh, Granny, what did I do now? Granny, what did I do now? Please, Granny. No, Granny, please. What did I do now, Granny? Ah, oh, she's just sitting down, isn't she? Oh my gosh, Granny. Granny, please. Granny, please. Please, Granny. Please, Granny. Please, Granny. Please, Granny. Granny, please. I almost just died there. I almost just died. I almost just died there. Granny, please, I did nothing wrong, Granny. Granny, I did nothing wrong. Granny, I did nothing wrong, Granny. Granny, Granny, please. Please, Granny. Up the stairs. Go up the stairs. She doesn't know how to get up the stairs. Oh my gosh, Granny, you tire me out.
Yo, Granny, what we watching? Turn this up. Hey, I was watching that! You know what? Grand Slam! Dunked on! I'm asking you this one time and one time only. Where's the catnip? Oh, I think I just killed her. It's a robot! Hey, I have a question. Can you swim? Grandma, the robot! I think the robot's dead. Is this Ballin' Cat 43? Hey, bro, you see Grandma down there? You're gonna beat her ass. No, stop! Stop!
Yup. If you pick me up again, I swear I'm gonna cut your hair off. Bro, I tried telling you, Grandma. I tried telling you. I tried letting you know. I told you pick me up. Seriously, Grandma, you said you'd stop drinking, bro. We can't let nothing bad happen to this fish. Yep, right there. Whew, it was burned. Try my sandwich. Try my sandwich. Yep, you're gonna love it. Oh, the dunk on you! Alright, hold still. There's a fly on your face. Ooh, look what I found. See how you like it. You know you've been saving this money all month for your new dentures. Yo. Yo, is that a slurp juice? Bruh. Come on. Since this dude thinks it's so funny to throw wrenches at me, I'm gonna throw an axe at his head. He's just sleeping, don't. No, I'm annoyed about it. Don't throw a wrench at me. Don't throw a wrench. I'm gonna show him how to play. I'm gonna throw a wrench at his face, see how he likes it. Let's go.
Did you guys know there's wardrobes? We made it to the house! So cute! Hi, me! You're so cute! Spider hat. Ah, I hate it. Oh, but the shark is cute! Oh my god, the shark's so cute! Banana. The banana! Oh, I'm a banana cat. That's it. Oh, I'm a little leopard! Oh, we're the angriest cat. It's kind of cute. That's adorbs. Oh my god, we're so cool. My favorite. We have a pirate. Oh! Hello, matey. Arr. You could be Cataclaws. Cataclaws. And our claws are green. Have you been on the naughty or the nice list? This one is my favorite, but let me know which one was your favorite.
Living the normal cat life. Ah! Your grandma, I won't be like this when I grow up. I want to be Steph Curry in cat form. You saying I can't be it? Oh, grandma, you messed up. You messed up. You don't think I can be Steph Curry? You don't think I can be Steph Curry? Bink! Oh, three-pointer. She's down. She's down. Grandma! I'm gonna knock down everything in Grandma's house and hope she doesn't get mad. Super picture? Bink. I fell. I don't care. Bink. Grandma, how you like that? Oh, you think I'm done? Ink. Ink. Oh, that even happened. Oh, you think I'm done, Grandma? When I went ink. What did I do?
Snack attack. Oh, that didn't work. You know what, Grandma? You know what? I'm sorry. Yeah. Ooh, hot dog. Alrighty, let's cook this. And I got a special treat for you too. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna throw this fish all the way to the fish tank. Now it's time to cook. Let's do this. Hope this is the right one. Yeah. Pepper. The whole tomato. Alright, now all we gotta do is watch this so it does not burn. So, yeah, I don't think that was supposed to happen. Hey, you wanna hit me? Go ahead. Yep. Oh. Yes. Hit one. Oh, down. Yep. I can't let them. Frank, it's about time I actually take good care of you. I will let nothing bad happen to you. Oh my goodness.
You can't find for me.
Except I can find for me. I can explain. It was the pot was there. Please don't call animal control. Are you calling animal control? I'm sorry, I didn't mean. I'm sorry, buddy. I can't carry you up the stairs. I told you to stop eating them Twinkies, Grandma. She fell down the stairs by herself, by the way. That wasn't me. Let's make Grandma a nice dinner. Chicken, of course. The chicken. And then the key ingredient. No artificial flavors, 100% pure grass-fed cat shit. Never notice. Time to go feed her some dookie. Some food for you. It was a prank. I'm sorry. It was a prank. I didn't mean it. I don't want you to pick me up if you're dumb. What? I'm ascending to the heavens. Be like toast.
Lingang guli 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 wata lingangu lingangu lingang guli 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 wata lingangu lingangu lingang guli 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 wata lingangu lingangu lingang guli 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 wata lingangu lingangu. Salam alaikum alaikum salam.
Nos fuimos.
El que quiera perder su tiempo que lo pierda. Ahí voy. You're gone.
Why are you watching this? Stay away from me.
You can't find for me.
Please, I'm for real. Stop picking me up. I'm tired of making you go bald every single day. Please. When are you gonna learn? I told you 3 days in a row. I told you yesterday. I told you the day before. I literally said, if you touch me... Let's go see what's in this USB. What? Oh no. No! Do not open your phone again, bro. I swear. I'll throw a toaster at your face. Yeah, I don't know what happened. Oh, Lord. Oh no.
Open the seal. Open the seal.
Oh my god, is that Squidward's house? Wait, I actually never noticed that. Dude, that's sick. Da 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 da. Ooh. I see Grandma over there watching cat videos and not paying attention to me. Come on, Grandma. Pay attention to me now, woman. Oopsies, the glass broke. Uh-oh, another glass broke. Grandma, I hope you can handle all this broken glass everywhere. What's wrong? Oh no, dirty mess. Take that. Oh, she's got the frying pan. Oh no, I have a frying pan of my own, woman. This is our final battle. No, 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 we killed each other. No.
So let out my duckling or I'ma blow you up. No? It's lit. Good luck, Melton.
Grandma's lacking again. I have to show her how it's done. Oh! Oh, shoot! Oh, she is angry. I gotta be just like my grandpa. Dang! Oh, shoot! I dunked on her!
How to get out of the map in I Am Cat VR. There you go.
Granny. Granny, you pooed! You pooed! Oh, Granny, you're too far! Oh! Granny. This is karma. Granny.
Grandma, I'm running away from home. What is this? Hair growth? Bernard, lay down. You're gonna want to see this. Oh, yes. Okay, I gotta get the other side, alright? Stand up. When you wake up, you're gonna be so happy. This is just like my dream. Bah. I forgot to make a wish. Take pictures of this? I know exactly what I'm gonna do with this. Lay down, big guy. Close your eyes. Nice and sleepy. Just a little closer. Oh, shoot. You gotta go. Right here, chin jiggle. Oh, I got him! Look what I did. Fine. I don't care about you either. I gotta start one of those wood splitting TikTok channels. Yeah. Got it. Now a pre-workout. What's that bug doing there? 2, 3.
Fish. No. Bro. Yep, tomatoes. Yep. And then I don't want to burn it, you know? you, Pot. What are you gonna do about it? What the?
Living the normal cat life. Ah! Your grandma, I won't be like this when I grow up. I want to be Steph Curry in cat form. You saying I can't be it? Oh, grandma, you messed up. You messed up. You don't think I can be Steph Curry? You don't think I can be Steph Curry? Bink! Oh, 3-pointer. She's down. She's down. Grandma! I'm gonna knock down everything in Grandma's house and hope she doesn't get mad. Super picture? Bink. I fell. I don't care. Bink. Grandma, how you like that? Oh, you think I'm done? Ink. Ink. Oh, that even happened. Oh, you think I'm done, Grandma? When I went ink.